Alright guys, welcome back to Kurogi Gaming. I today we were working on a '06 Audi A6 model. Today, like I said, all I did was the bumper. Man, it's super dark now. But I was taking the clear coat off and some of the base coat. I was trying to bring it down to a primer. The car was damaged. Front bumper was damaged, so I had to go down to Sacramento and get the bumper for it from a junkyard or pickup parts, kind of. So that's it right there. The old one was all smashed up. Even the Audi sign right here was all smashed up. But I'm gonna be replacing all of that. So yeah, like I said, I just took the clear coat off. I still got to do a few spots, like right here on the corners, right here in the corner. I think there's a little spot down here inside I gotta do. This part right here on the other side, and I think that's it. Once I take the base coat off, or most of it at least, because it doesn't have to be perfect. The owner's actually just gonna get rid of the car as soon as he fixes it up, so I'm fixing it. Yeah, I already got the grill and the Audi stuff, and yeah, it's gonna come out good. I actually had to go to Napa and give them the code color, the color code, and have them mix up the paint for me. All I did was get it in a spray can, so I could just spray can it rather than using my paint gun. It'd be so much easier, and I don't have to clean my gun and bust out everything. But yeah, I think, and I had to fix the headlight. This headlight was it was all smashed up. The tabs that hold the light were smashed up, so I just fiberglassed some of the plastic, and I glued it, and it came out okay. It's on there good. So yeah, when I got the car, they didn't have no. When I got the car from the owner, it didn't have the bumper, and it didn't have the fog lights, and I had to go get this bumper with the fog lights. And unfortunately, the car, since it was from a pickup parts, it had a smashed up grill, so I had to order a grill from eBay, and the Audi sign as well, because it was gone. But yeah, I'm gonna make another video after I sand it all down completely, and then once I get it primered, base coated, clear coated, and then once I put it on, I'll make another video as I'm doing that. That way you guys can see. Yeah, until then.